Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making Omnisphere available inside Logic. First, confirm the O plugin is scanned, then create a software instrument track and insert Omnisphere as the instrument. Once done, open Omnisphere's interface and choose a patch bank to audition. Make sure Logic's playback engine and buffer are set for your CPU. This prevents glitches while loading large multis. You'll also want to set MIDI channel and basic polyphony, so the plugin responds as you play or sequence MIDI. Now you map Omnisphere's outputs and MIDI to Logic's mixer and arrange view. Open Omnisphere's multi-output menu and enable the outputs you need, then create auxiliary tracks in Logic and assign each aux to the corresponding channel. Once mapped, use Logic's environment or track MIDI routing to send program changes or CCs. This lets you switch layers or automate filters. Also, set up key range splits or arpeggiator sync in Omnisphere, and make sure tempo-synced LFOs follow Logic's tempo for tight timing. Finish by automating expressive controls and committing parts to audio. Use Logic's automation to record filter sweeps, macro knob moves, or layer crossfades. Once satisfied, freeze or bounce tracks to reduce CPU. When exporting stems, solo the Omnisphere outputs or route through buses for effects. If something goes wrong, first rescan audio units, verify Omnisphere's authorization and Steam path, then restart Logic. This fixes most missing patch or non-loading issues. If audio is choppy, raise buffer size or freeze other heavy tracks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.